Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. Have you ever imagined walking on water? Not in a movie, not in a story, but in a real life. In the Bible, Jesus Christ is known to be walking on water, which symbolize a moment of faith and divine power. आज के vlog में हम ये जानेंगे कि ये झील क्यों जमती है और सदियों से ये जगह इंसानों के लिए क्यों अहम रही है. Alright, so let's begin our journey then. Storsjön is located in central Sweden in a region called Jämtland. On one side of the lake is the city of Östersund and on other side is the island of Frösön. तो आए इस जर्नी अक्रॉस फ्रोजन वाटर का आगाज करते हैं. ये झील सदियों से यहाँ रहने वाले लोगों की ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा रही है. सर्दियों में ये झील एक कुदरती रास्ता बन जाती है. I'm standing on Storsjön, one of the largest lakes in Sweden. Right now this lake is completely frozen. The lake stretches for about 70 kilometers and is fed by rivers and mountains runoff. In summer, it's open water. In winter, it becomes a frozen highway. Let's talk about science. How does a lake freezes? Fresh water freezes differently from salt water. Water becomes dense at 4 degrees Celsius, which means cold water stays on top. As winter air temperature drop below zero, the surface water cools, stop mixing and finally freezes. Ice floats acting like a blanket. That frozen layer actually protects the water underneath from freezing solid. Over time, layer upon layer of ice forms. Clear black ice, which develops slowly in calm conditions, is the strongest type. This is why people here have walked across the lake, skied across the lake, even driven vehicle across it in the past. Locals treat the ice with deep respect because nature decides it, not us. वाइकिंग के दौर में ये जमी हुई झील रुकावट नहीं थी बल्कि एक शाहराह थी. This clip from Google Maps shows my walk and you can see the route going right across the lake. फिर आती है कहानी. कहा जाता है कि स्टोरशन में एक द्योहैकल मखलूक रहती है. Sturhu Uyurad. ये कहानियाँ 1600 की दहाई से सुनाई जा रही हैं. आज भी कानूनन इस मखलूक को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ हासिल है. Just in case. Walking here feels unreal. Under my feet is meters of water, silent, dark, and alive. It reminds us that nature can be gentle and powerful at the same time. If you come over to Östersund in winter, do not just look at the Storsjön. Listen to it. Every crack, every echo tells a story thousands of years old. Thanks for walking with me on frozen water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already done. And I'll see you in the next one.